In a bustling city, Maya, a young scientist, discovered the secret behind hiccups. While others saw it as a mere annoyance, Maya saw an opportunity. She realized that understanding the diaphragm's sudden contractions could lead to breakthroughs in respiratory health. With determination, she led a team of women researchers, breaking barriers in a male dominated field. Their work not only explained why we hiccup, but also paved the way for new treatments. Maya's journey was a testament to women's resilience and innovation, proving that even small hiccups can lead to monumental achievements.